Got my Zara package. Alright, so I got some stuff from Zara mainly because I'm going to Scotland next week. Yeah, next week. And I need some... I actually needed a rain jacket. I don't know. I didn't want to buy like a super sporty rain jacket and they're kind of expensive. I feel like I normally get like my sporty outdoor clothes at like the outlet because I don't really care that much about that. But yeah, so I was like looking on Zara and they actually had some like nice kind of rain jackets I can see myself wearing on the daily as well. Let's do a little bit of a haul. I only brought like 2 jackets when I moved here because like they're so heavy. So I kind of wanted a light jacket, but this one, the quality just feels, I guess, okay, it's not the right outfit to be trying on a leather jacket, but it's a bit small and it's a no. And then it's like a jacket in collaboration with Everlast. Okay, I'm gonna put on a different shirt because it's gonna affect how it looks, I think. It's cute. I'm not in love with how it looks from the front. Like, I like this, but yeah, the front is just so lackluster. And it's not waterproof. Probably not. Anyways, now this one is a more actually waterproof jacket. It's, yeah. What am I expecting from a rain jacket, honestly? Like, it doesn't be that cute, but what am I hoping this rain jacket looks like? I don't know. I don't think this is it either. And then we have this really kind of thin jacket. Like, this one's cheaper, but it also feels cheap. Yeah, actually, I don't mind this. I think this is more my style. Okay, and then see it, and then this one I can kind of tuck it, like, because of the band at the bottom, I can kind of tuck it in and it becomes a shorter. Okay, yeah, I'm going with this one. Functional, light, and that's it for the haul. Alright, so I got out my drone because I kind of want to bring it on my Scotland trip, but like I use it so infrequently that every time I have to practice to make sure I remember how to use it and like how to link it. So this is pretty old. It is the DJI, it's like the first small one that they created. Oh, the DJI Spark, yeah. Okay, I don't remember what my account password is for this. Does this even have an SD card in it? Nope. Tap to activate or connect. Okay, learn how to connect. Is battery dead? Okay, it's on. Person hold the... It's not turning on. It's not turning on. Okay, the instructions are not very clear. You have to press once and then... Okay.
What? It's powering on.
What is the password for this? AirPath is disconnected. Oh, this is hard. At least 1 meter off the ground. Okay, let's try again. Alright, so that was a fail. I need to charge the batteries for both of these, so I will try again later. I don't even know why I bought this, to be honest. It was a bad decision. Like, what did I think I was trying to be like Casey Neistat. I was like, oh, I'm gonna film cool drone shots, but I wasn't even traveling and I was like staying in the city most of the time, so really no place to use this. How do I charge this battery? Anywho, that was the fail. I am going to get ready to head out now, I guess. And I'll try this when I get back. Good morning, guys. Oh my god, my hair looks so yellow in this light. My voice is kind of froggy because I just woke up. It's Monday. I'm gonna start work at like 1 p.m. today. So I think because I'm going to Scotland this Saturday, I want to dye my hair today so that, you know, it's looking fresh, because right now, so it's weird because I dyed my hair like a month ago, but I didn't use any bleach, and the color just like, it was a dark brown and now it's just back to my original color, and this part is slightly dark, like lighter brown, but it's just black basically. So I'm gonna bleach this and then color the rest of my hair. I've done this before, like myself, several times, because I find it like I go to the salon and I pay a few $100s and I don't find that like the colors exactly what I asked them for, so I have lost trust in the salons. I'll go like for cuts, or if I want to do something like special to my hair, like highlights or something like that, or ombre, but I typically like just like a solid color. Yeah, so anyways, I'm just gonna bleach my roots now. It's a little bit hard because like at home I usually have like another mirror that I can put behind me so I can see the back of my head, but I'm gonna have to just go by feel this time. I'm gonna be using this dye. I never used this one before, but I couldn't find the one I use in Canada here. It's the same, it's the Wella brand, but yeah, it's the permanent cream dye. I usually use this one in Canada. But yeah, I couldn't find that one here, so I'm gonna try this one. Actually, now I'm looking at it, maybe I should have got a darker color. Online it looked pretty dark, but now I'm looking at the, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if this works. I just bought this bleach, so I'm gonna mix this bleach. And I have some, I think, yeah, 30 volume developer here to mix with the bleach. Alright, I have the bleach on. I am going to slightly cover the front with a bit of plastic wrap just to keep the heat in. Actually, I'm gonna avoid the front because I usually find that my roots at the front get super light, super fast, so I don't mind if they don't. Yeah. So now I look like I have a bald cap on, but that's okay. I'm gonna leave it on for 20 minutes, I think. Like over here is already getting blonde, but this area that I just applied still needs some time. So I'm gonna wait 20 minutes and then wash this out. Yeah. Okay. Okay, it looks a bit scary right now. So, this is definitely not the way you're supposed to do it, okay? I know you're supposed to not do your roots first. Like, I should have done this part first because the heat from my head makes the bleach activate faster. But honestly, I'm dyeing a darker color, so it kind of all just gets covered anyways. Like, I've been doing this for a long time and like, you don't really see a difference like in the hair down here. But anyways, right now I look crazy. I had to take off my contacts because they were irritating my eyes, but. So now I am going to do the color, which is a lot easier because I don't have to be as careful. Morning. So I think I forgot to update you guys on my hair, or this is probably the next clip that you're seeing. So it didn't turn out very well. That is why I panicked and stopped vlogging. So after I bleached it, I bought another dye, but it was too light. Like, I never used that line of dye, that brand, so I didn't know that color was kind of too light. Anyways, it didn't stick to my hair, so it still looked like relatively yellow and bleached up top. I left it for like 2-3 days because I didn't like, my scalp felt very sensitive. Anyway, so I went to the drugstore like 2-3 days later and I got this new dye. I'm gonna put it up on the screen probably. It's called Pureplex, I think. I think they're like kind of, I don't know, piggybacking on the Olaplex brand, because yeah, it's like a little bit of like a healthier hair dye meant to make your hair a bit stronger even. So yeah, I got that, and I actually think it kind of does what it claims. It definitely didn't feel as like harsh as any of the other dyes I used, and like I feel like the color coverage is pretty good. So yeah, like you can't really tell where I bleached it and where it's my old hair, right? Anyways, I badly need a haircut too. I might give myself curtain bangs in a little bit. We'll see. Anyways, I am going to get started packing now. I kind of laid out everything I need to pack. So this is too much clothes. I'm going to sort through it. It's just like the weather is not that warm there, but like I don't know exactly how warm it is, so I just need to sort it out. Like, I took out all the clothes I could possibly want to wear, and now I need to decide. And then I have my drone charging over here, which I need to test in a bit. And then I'm gonna try and fit everything in this suitcase. All right, I'm gonna get started. Okay, let me look at my itinerary. So, 4 days of city, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 days of nature. Okay.